Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your shorts from your smartphone. So you can see this plus icon in here in YouTube. You can also upload your shorts from your YouTube studio. So I'm going to click on this. So after that, you can see our short is open. Here I'm going to add my short video. So you can also edit your video, trim your video. Then you need to click on done. Your short maximum duration is 60 seconds. You can also retouch your video, or you can also add text, filter, or you can also voice from here. So I already add text and voice, so that's why I am not edit anything. Then click on next. Here we need to add our short details. We need to add title. So I'm going to add my title. Here you need to use hashtag for your video. So I'm going to hashtag. I'm going to use hashtag. Then here you can see our visibility. You can select this visibility public, but I'm going to use unlist. You can also add your location. Then you need to select your audience. From here, I'm going to select no. It's not made for kids. Then you can also add your big video.
So if you create big video to short video, then you can also add this video.
I don't have any related video, so that's why I'm not add any video. And then allow video and audio remixing. If you allow, then other creators can use your audio and video. And if you have any paid promotion in your shorts, then you can also select this. So I don't have any paid promotion. That's why I select no. After that, if your comment is off, then you can simply on from here. Then upload your short. So you can see my short is uploading. It's processing our short video. So guys, our video is uploaded. It's ready for watch. So in this way, you can upload your short video from your smartphone. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you learned something new, then please subscribe this channel for more videos.